What a Day, Part 3. How'd you like the first two parts? Oh yeah. I got one window done and I have to head back to Lowe's for another 6 pieces of wood and 2 plexiglasses. Man, I thought I had it all. Oh man, and that's gonna cost me an arm and a leg. But at least I get the job done the way I should. How'd you like my jitter walk video? It was pretty awesome, wasn't it? It wasn't the best. Now, when I had that freeze frame shot on YouTube, that was smooth as butter, man. That freeze frame, it was like perfect. But when I watched my video, I noticed grain. It's not perfect grain, but it's grain. I made a comment in 7 months or more. I couldn't hold back, man. It is what it was. I got my glasses. I got my distant glasses. And I got my piece of wood and my list. Yeah, so my Inky Falcon Plus with the DJI on it, and it's set up for the GoPro, and you can't just put the Action 3 on it if the GoPro's set up. It'll make the gimbal hum. 167 grams is the Action 3, and 238 is the GoPro. Everything works just fine on both cameras. Wow, man, I got in and out before 5 minutes. Oh, that is amazing, with all my supplies. So I'm off to go build later today. Leftover Christmas trees, that's it. I got like 5 to 8 there. That's it, all gone. Build the frame. Set some bars up, nail them in on the floor, and put it back up, and you're ready to finish up the project. The whole frame is built. All I gotta do is cut plexiglass, stick it in, and then build the outer frame to lock it in. I gotta try to take care of that outside, get that stain off. I used CHL or CLR, didn't work. I got plexiglass in there, except for the last one. And I'm going to put that piece of wood right there, squeeze it in. I'm almost done. Oh, I'm not done yet. But that's what you do. Peel the plastic off and you're just about sailed in. Ah, piece wood. Everything's on. Wood's never perfect when you buy. Did the best I can do. Properly sailed for the winter. I'm done. The only thing I'm not satisfied is I have to move the shade out just a little bit more so I can clear this wood, unless I have to take this wood and I'm going to shave it down 50%.